Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today we look at count as a function in Excel. It has 5 other sub-functions called CountA, CountIF, CountIFs, and CountBlank. We're going to start off with count, which goes like this. Count just the column here and you get your answer, but count is used basically for numerical columns that have numbers in them. Non-numerical columns will not have a result. So you have 960 because this column here counts numerical columns underscore and under years. But for CountA, which is counting non-blank values, it's used most times for all columns. And if you check it out in that formula, CountA, pick the column and close stop. It counts all the available column based on the fact that it has data. If it doesn't have data, it skips it. The CountIF function is used based on the criteria. If you're going to look for a particular item in a column, for example, here you're going to look for Catholic, how many times Catholic occurs in the school sector, you're going to write it like this. CountIF, open the bracket, pick the range, which is the school sector, followed by a comma, then that particular element here, and you have 320 there. This can also be applied to the school level, where you can count if the number in the school level column we have combined. You click on that and you close it up and you have 240 for all. But for CountIFs, you only count ifs if you have multiple repetitions in 2 or 3 columns like this. You count ifs with an S and check if, for example, the school value that has school value comma that has combined and also has schools that have 2 and tells you it occurs 6 times, the other one occurs 12 times. Count, CountA, CountIF, and CountIFs can be used collectively and individually in different contexts of your data. So try and know these count functions, pause the video, replay it, and try and make better use of it. Thank you for watching and see you next video.